Buying a car is a really big decision. It's something you rely on every day, whether it's running errands, going to work, or even a weekend trip. Naturally, you want to make sure that investment is protected, right? That's where an extended warranty comes in. It's one of those things that might not make a big difference now, but it's helpful down the road. So let's talk about it. What exactly is an extended warranty, and how can it benefit you? It's not just about the surprise repair cost. It's more about when you need it most. After all, cars don't break down at the most convenient times, right? An extended warranty is extra coverage after your factory warranty has expired. It's like a safety net that helps you avoid any unexpected repair costs. Think of it like this. Your factory warranty has you covered for at least a few years or up until a certain amount of mileage. And some of those repair bills can really add up, especially for things like an engine or a transmission. So how does it actually work? First, you'll choose your plan. Extended warranties come in different levels. You can go for the basic plan, which covers things like your engine or transmission, or you can get yourself a more comprehensive plan, which covers almost everything, anything from like your air conditioner or to your electrical system. So what kind of things are actually covered under these plans? Here are some of the most common plans we see. Powertrain coverage is usually a big one. This protects things like your engine, your transmission, and your drivetrain, the heart of your car. Then there's comprehensive coverage. This one covers things like the electrical system, air conditioning, and sometimes even the infotainment centers. You don't want to be stuck with something like a massive repair bill if something like your AC goes down in the summer. Some plans even have extra, like roadside assistance and rental car reimbursement. That way, if your car breaks down, you're not left stranded. However, it's important to note that things like your oil change or your brake pads may not be covered. Those would be a part of a maintenance plan, which is different from an extended warranty. While extended warranties can cover a lot, there are typically a few things that they don't include. Things like routine maintenance, oil changes, brake pads, and air filters are usually not covered. And wear and tear items, like your tires, your brake pads, and your battery, are typically not covered. But always make sure to read the fine print so you know what is included and what is not. So, when it comes to paying, you can either pay it up front or you can roll it into financing. So what do you do when you have an extended warranty and something happens to your vehicle? You'll just bring it into Soren's Service Center and they'll take care of the rest. So what are the key benefits that can make an extended warranty a no-brainer? First up, financial protection. Car repairs can get expensive fast, especially if something major breaks. And an extended warranty can help you avoid those big, expensive repairs. And then there's the peace of mind. Knowing that you're covered when something goes wrong means there's one less thing that you have to be stressed about. An extended warranty can also boost your resale value of your vehicle if you plan to sell it or trade it in the future. Having an extended warranty can also make it more attractive to potential buyers. Another perk is that you can customize your plans that fits your lifestyle and your budget. Whether you want basic coverage or comprehensive coverage, you've got options. Now, the big question you're going to ask is it actually worth it to buy an extended warranty? Honestly, that depends on a lot of factors, like the reliability of the vehicle, your budget, and how much you drive. If you're a person that keeps your vehicle for a long time, this is probably a purchase that you would want. Let's walk through some commonly asked questions about extended warranties.
Kaylee, when should I buy an extended warranty?
Great question. The best time to buy an extended warranty is when your factory warranty is still active. That way, you get the most value out of it. As your factory warranty gets closer to expiration, you might start thinking about the peace of mind and what an extended warranty can offer. Can I get an extended warranty for a used car?
Absolutely, you can get extended warranty for a used car, but the cost and the coverage options can vary depending on the age of the car, its mileage, and its overall condition. If you're considering an extended warranty, the sales consultants can help find the best options for each particular vehicle.
Boom!
Yeah.
This is the next question that we always get asked. Are all extended warranties the same? Not all extended warranties are created equally. There are different levels of coverage, from basic powertrain coverage to more comprehensive plans that cover almost every part of your vehicle. Be sure to compare the options, understand the terms, and find out which one is best for you. Can I transfer my extended warranty if I sell my car? Yes, you can. One of the best things about having an extended warranty is that you can actually transfer the extended warranty to a new owner. This can make your vehicle even more attractive to potential buyers. But what if you need to make a claim on your extended warranty? Well, that's pretty easy. If something goes wrong and you need a repair, simply bring your car into a qualified service center. And you'll typically pay a small deductible and the warranty will cover the rest. Our team will handle everything, so you can just sit back and relax. Let's talk about if an extended warranty is worth the cost. Simply depends on your situation. If you drive a lot and plan on keeping your vehicle for a lot of years, it would be a good investment to get an extended warranty. It takes the worry out of unexpected car troubles and lets you focus on what really matters. Now, if you still have questions, reach out to our team at Sorens Ford and we will help you answer all of your questions.